So welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So today we're out here late this evening, out here in front of the shop, but we're about to go to one of Bristol's big car shows here in Bristol, Virginia. It's actually called Bristol Nights. This is one night of the year that they block off all of State Street here in Bristol, Virginia, and they have hundreds and hundreds of vehicles. Hey, don't you guys go anywhere. We're gonna head down to Bristol Nights, and of course you guys know we're gonna take old Blue Ash, and we actually took Blue Ash downtown before several times when we would be down there. My shop used to be right on Main Street, but now we're here in the Blackwood Harley Davidson Shopping Center, and a lot of you guys that's here local may not know that, so you guys need to come on down to Sidetrack Tobacco at 1061 Old Abingdon Highway and check us out, man. But anyway, there go Blue Ash, man. We're gonna go and take her down to Bristol Nights tonight, guys. So don't you guys go anywhere, hang tight. When turn you guys back on, we'll be downtown Bristol. Let's go. All right, guys, we just got down here. I got down here a little late. Of course, it's already raining. Hopefully it won't deter too many people. So we finally got here on State Street, man. I'm gonna walk out here. It's actually raining a little bit, but I'm gonna show you what we got so far, guys. So we're gonna just go ahead and walk down. I don't care if it's raining or not. We're gonna try to get as much footage as we can before they start moving these cars up out of here. And so, you know, I'm gonna do less talking and more walking.
Let's see how far we can make it without getting soaked.
Maybe it'll pass over.
Until 9. I have no idea.
Huh? Yeah. What store did you want to go into?
This way.
Yeah, it's 170. What do you mean? Yeah, I don't need that.
Pass the shower here.
All right, guys, a little rain ain't gonna stop us. It's drizzling out here, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna walk down, and then we're gonna come back on this side, guys. This is my buddies here. I'm gonna check it out. I know he's not here, but he's proud of it, man. I'm proud of him too. Yeah, he done did his dash underneath here. He'll be surprised. He got this dash. Let's get inside here. He did his dash underneath there. I gave him that little concept design. It looked good. He did a good job. Look at that there. You can't see it because it's ostrich skin around there. It's awesome. All right. Good deal. I like that color too. All right, so let's go ahead and that's clean. So we're gonna walk down, come back up. Those old grub, Mike. There go Ben. Look at that. It's Coop. Hello. Now Ben don't have no windshield wipers. He's gonna be hurting whenever he gets to the house. I like that, man. Look at that. Oldsmobile Rocket. You go, Ben. All right. All right, let's keep it going. I'm gonna go wipe off the lens here. All right. We're gonna keep it going, guys. Guess I won't get no drone footage today, unfortunately. Little rain ain't gonna hurt us. How y'all doing?
Pretty good.
I tell you what, that's a nice clean color there, man. I like that. You don't see that type of green. You know, that's really good. I like that front window. Got some muscle. Alright guys, if you guys never been here to Bristol, Virginia, you guys need to come down. I'm going to show you. You can be in 2 states at one time. You got Virginia and Tennessee, where I can walk over here and now you see my feet. I'm in 2 states at one time. What about that? Alright, let's keep it going. In case a lot of you guys don't know, this is the state line here. We're right on the border. You can walk across the street, be in Virginia, then you can be in Tennessee at the same time. Right. They're about to do the awards here. You get a picture of that? There go Maddie.
Yeah. Oh, we had a car like that. Really? Yeah, really. That's important.
Yeah, that's cool. We got cars up in there. Now, I know you guys probably think that. Alright, I'm gonna wipe you guys off real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you real quick. You would think everybody, especially at these classic car shows, since it's raining, that everybody would be booking the road. Well, unfortunately, with Bristol Nights, they block the streets. As you see here, they got everything barricaded. And this show, I believe, is like from 5 to 9. So, for whatever reason, I'm not sure, once you're in here, you can't get out. So, it was pouring down raining pretty bad. So, there's a lot of classic car guys that's not too happy, which I totally understand. So, now we're gonna turn around and we're gonna walk back the other direction. And we're gonna see what we can find, guys. This may be a short video compared to my other ones, but I still want to give you guys a little content, and we're still out here hustling. So turn you guys around. I know a lot of you guys appreciate this. You know, I'm out in the rain, so if you guys are still here with me, don't forget to drop down, hit that subscribe button if you like this video. Even if you don't like it, I'm out here in the rain working for you guys. You know, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and share this video, guys. So let's go ahead and head back down the road here, and we're gonna get back in Blue Ash, and we're gonna call it a day. At least we got to see a few cars. You know, it's stopped raining now. All right, turn you guys back on once we get to the next street. That's cool. What's that? You got a bed on there? What's right there? That's cool. That's actually fiberglass, I guess. Fiberglass. Tell me that ain't sweet. That's cool. I like that. Yeah, there. 57 Chevy. Both of them. That's a different color combination. And we've seen the Undertaker a couple of times in the videos, guys. He got a skeleton in there. Oh, I'm sorry.
Smells good.
Mustang.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it.
About a 62 model there. Nice clean green paint job. Pontiac. All right. Bel Air. All right, guys, so that's the show. Honestly, there's normally 2 times as many vehicles down here for Bristol Nights. It's a real big disappointment because, you know, we wait the whole year just for this event here. And of course, unfortunately, it's raining, so a lot of people didn't show up. You know how those classic car guys, they can't get those cars wet. Even though they wash them, it's just rainwater. So we're gonna go ahead and head back to Blue Ash, guys. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get any aerial footage today, but if I do, it'll be at the end of this video, guys. So thanks for joining me today, hanging out with CJ. Yes, I'm CJ, guys. And like I tell everybody, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.